Hello and welcome. Today we are tackling a fundamental coding interview problem, merging two sorted arrays. This is a classic question that tests your understanding of array manipulation and efficient algorithms. Here is our goal. We are given two arrays. Let's call them array 1 and array 2. Both of these arrays are already sorted in ascending order. We need to combine them into a single, larger array that is also sorted. The most obvious way to solve this is to simply dump all the numbers from both arrays into one big pile and then run a sorting algorithm on it. While this works, it is inefficient. Sorting takes extra time, usually O(n log n, and we completely ignore the helpful fact that our inputs are already sorted. A much better approach is the two-pointer strategy. Since both arrays are sorted, we know the smallest available number is always sitting at the start of one of the arrays. We can just compare the front elements and pick the smaller one. Let's visualize this. We initialize two pointers, I and j, at the beginning of each array. We compare the value at pointer I, which is 1, against the value at pointer j, which is 2. Since 1 is smaller, we move 1 into our result array. After picking 1, we move the pointer I forward. Now we compare the next values, 3 versus 2. This time, 2 is smaller. So, we place 2 into the result and move pointer j forward. We continue this process. Now comparing 3 versus 4, 3 is smaller, so it goes into the result. We keep doing this, always picking the winner of the face-off. Eventually, one array will run out of numbers. In this case, array A is finished. We don't need to compare anymore. We simply copy the remaining elements from array B directly into the end of our result. Here is the logic in pseudocode. We loop while both pointers are within bounds. Inside the loop, we pick the smaller element and increment its pointer. Finally, we handle any leftovers in a separate cleanup step. This solution is very efficient. The time complexity is linear, or O of n plus m, because we visit every element exactly once. The space complexity is also linear because we create a new array to hold the result. To recap, avoid the naive sort. Leverage the sorted property of the inputs using two pointers. This allows us to merge in linear time, which is the most optimal solution. This technique is also the secret sauce behind the merge-sort algorithm.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.